How to download Instagram photos on your mobile full HD. First thing first, open Instagram application and make sure to sign into your Instagram account. Then select the Instagram photo that you want to download on your mobile full HD. So there will be two ways in order to download Instagram photos on your mobile on full HD. That is by sharing the link of this photo on any browser and downloading using third party. But for now we are not using any third party, so let's share this post on our Instagram story. So let's tap on add to story at the bottom left corner of the screen, and here you can enlarge the photo using your fingers and place it wherever you wish to. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the save button. The photo has already been saved, so you can easily open this photo on your gallery. As you can see that the photo has been saved to our gallery, then you can easily crop this photo using the edit icon, and you can easily save to your Instagram, or you can save to your gallery and download this Instagram photo on your mobile on full HD using this process. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe our channel for more updates.